Okay, that's not very important. This one. Yeah, fun. Where should we go today? Yeah, just right. Right about the way. Whoa. 6-meter wing. 10 knots of wind. Yeah. Look at that. Camera's still dry. Well, sooner or later I gotta turn. Look for a big gust. This is a big gust. No! No. Whoa! Okay. Bend your knees. Knees bent. That helps a lot. That helps a lot, yeah. Pull a wall. Come on. Wind. Pump. Come on. Wind. Okay, I'm gonna try a jibe. This may look here. Okay, knees bent. Okay, turning down